Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 4th to the 16th, December 4th to the 8th. This is what we're expecting at the start of the period. We have a trough here, ridge, flat flow across much of the nation. We have strong positive height anomalies here, and we have another area of positive height anomalies that will be developing, and this pattern will change as we go through the period. You're looking at the GFS. And then I'm going to jump ahead. I'm going to go to the end of the period. Now you see our trough here, starting to dig in. Here's our upper low, it'll sink south. We have our large positive height anomalies here, and here's our trough. And this will result in cold, the pattern will allow Arctic air to sink south and east from the plains to the Atlantic coast. Mild air ahead of the front will result in above normal temperatures at the start of the week. Later, expect temperatures to be about at least 10 degrees below normal. The west will experience a moderation in temperatures. The front entering the east will be a focus of precipitation. The Arctic air mass across the lakes, you guessed it, will result in lake effect snow. The front may still close to the east coast, and a weak wave could form and produce an area of rain and snow across the mid-Atlantic. December 7th to the 11th. Okay, here we are we'll start here at the 9th. Little changes expected, still have our strong positive height anomalies here, and this is indicative of a positive PNA, negative NAO, and a negative AO. And this will keep the cold air. Now these ridges, you can see here, I don't know if you can see this. I'm going to try to adjust it. Now you can't. You can see a little bit here. They'll join forces across the polar regions, and this will keep the cold air across the lower latitudes. And now we'll look at the rest of the models. We'll try to skim through them a little bit. See? Having trouble working the models again. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, with anomalies of up to 6 degrees. Above normal are forecast, and below normal temperatures are forecast for this vast area here, with anomalies of 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the Pacific coast, and the probability of occurrence will be about 30 to 50% chance of below normal precipitation, and we have above normal precipitation forecast for this region here, and the occurrence will be about up to 50% chance of occurrence. Now we're looking at the period for December 12th to 16th. 12th to 16th. Gotta slide this over a little bit. Okay, here we are at the 12th. This is a GFS. Now the pattern comes a little more amplified as the NAO stays negative. The AO will trend more negative, and this will result in very strong ridge here along the west coast of North America, and we have another ridge here, and we have a deep trough across eastern North America, and you can see the core of the blow will be across the Great Lakes area. So that's a GFS. And then we'll look at, let's see what else we can look at. There's a GFS ensembles and the European ensembles, all showing fairly the same thing. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting above normal temperatures here, again with anomalies near 6 degrees, above normal, below normal temperatures forecast for this area here, with anomalies of 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Rather dry period across much of the nation, so I'm forecasting below normal precipitation from the Rockies into parts of the Midwest, and that'll have a probability occurrence of 30 to 50%. So that's the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 4th to 16th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.